Hey fams, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So I am giving you guys a throwback video. You have not seen this video, but it is a throwback video in terms of I've had it on my main channel for years. So when you see this video, it has been pre-recorded for about maybe 4 years now, but it's still relevant because we still have everyday cleaning in there. So I want you guys to enjoy this video and be motivated, be inspired, and let's get into it.
Wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deep.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So I am giving you a cleaning video after how many weeks it has been? I know it's been a while, you guys, and I've been promising you that I'm going to give you a cleaning video, and I finally was able to get it done. So in today's video, I am going to be cleaning my dining room, my foyer, my upstairs landing, and you're going to see my daughter doing some dishes, and then I'm also going to be doing a bit of laundry. So definitely go ahead and stay tuned. It's a fun one today. You guys are going to see me really deep cleaning some spaces because I have not deep cleaned my house in a long time, you guys, with remote learning, my kids being home from school every day, and just a life that is extremely busy. Y'all know life gets in the way, and just cleaning is kind of like the last thing on your mind, just like the daily, everyday cleaning. But I'm going to be getting into it, and I'm so excited. Here's Michaela. She's so silly. She's washing the dishes because the night before she was supposed to, and she fell asleep. She said she was tired, so I'm going to give her some grace. But she's washing the dishes, loading up the dishwasher and everything. Now, I know some of y'all are probably going to be like, well, why is she washing the dishes with soap and then putting it in the dishwasher? Y'all, our dishwasher is extremely old, okay? And sometimes it's easier to just wash the dishes and then load them up, because when you don't and you put them in the dishwasher with the food or whatever stains on them, they do not come out clean, and we have to wash them like 2 or 3 more times. And in order to not go through that, we just wash them off and then load them up in the dishwasher so that they are clean and well sterilized. So I know some of y'all had asked me about that before, so I just wanted to let anyone that's new here, let you know this is why we wash our dishes before we load the dishwasher. And yeah, if you are new here, hey, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are here. I hope that you are motivated and inspired to get cleaning some of those areas in your home that it's been on your list for a while, but you have not been able to get to it because of whatever, right? Of life. So we're going to get into this cleaning today because we've got a lot to do.
About everything that was on our mind. Talking to you gave me butterflies.
Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you guys my steps before I started cleaning them. As you can see, they are atrocious. I told you in a previous video that I needed to get my steps cleaned and my rugs washed. And you guys, oh my gosh, I don't even know why I'm even showing you this, but I just needed to because, it's real life. Like, this is a real house with real people and real messes. So I wanted to show you guys how dirty my staircase were. And I am using the Method all-purpose cleaner. I love the grapefruit scent, you guys. It is so delicious. So I'm just going ahead and spraying them on my treads, and I'm going to be wiping it down and everything with like a cloth, a microfiber cloth, and they were so clean afterwards. Even my husband, he came in and he said, oh my gosh, I haven't seen these steps so clean. Like, they've been so clean. They are so clean. I haven't seen them this clean from the moment we moved in, though I have cleaned my steps many times, but it's just been so long that he notices it that is clean. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing now, and I'm going to be cleaning the baseboards as well because y'all, Nyla gets her juice and it's all over the walls, the floors, the banister. I mean, everywhere. The mirrors. It's ridiculous. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the steps.
Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
So now I'm in my dining room, and I actually had to take these pillows back outside because a couple of days ago it was super windy and literally my pillows were blowing down the street. So I had to take them off of my front porch and just rest them in the dining room until, you know, the wind was gone. So now I'm just going to be sweeping and mopping and wiping down my walls in the dining room because this is where majority of the messes are with Nyla, because she's always in the dining room. She's always sitting at the table and eating and drinking and doing her thing. So there are juice spills, splash, food splatter all over my white walls, you guys. This is the crazy thing about having white walls, white furniture, is that it gets dirty pretty easily, with especially when you have children. But I love light furniture and I love a light aesthetic, a light space. So I don't mind cleaning it because I love cleaning anyway. But it just was stuck onto the wall because it's been there for many days. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, all the deep cleaning up close and personal. Don't judge me, y'all, because y'all know you got kids, you doing cleaning too pretty much every day, right? So here is a close-up of the food splatter on my wall from Nyla, and she keeps me working. She definitely keeps me going and keeps me in shape, you know, though I'm not totally in shape, but it's okay. It's all right. We gonna get it. We gonna get it.
Out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. 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 Wanna shake the ground, wanna break away, let loose. I'm tired of waiting, gotta make that move. All the neon signs, now they shout to me and you to write our story. Wanna shape the new. Do you wanna come along with me? Come along with me. Do you wanna? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing.
And of course, you know, I had to get up on this buffet and get up on the wall because as Nyla tosses her cup, the juice just flies on the wall. And I'm telling y'all, it's like on the ceilings and everything. And I have to get up there on my ladder and clean the ceilings. It's ridiculous, I know, but I have to do it so that my house can stay clean and we don't have ants and gnats all over the place, especially now that it's warm. So now I am just sweeping off the steps. I actually swept from all the way upstairs and I came down, but it's a struggle sometimes with the camera to bring it upstairs, bring it downstairs. So I just decided I'm just going to show you guys that I'm cleaning it from here. That's my husband. He's about to get his workout on. And now I am just mopping. I mopped downstairs and I don't know what happened to the clip of me sweeping and mopping my foyer, but I think I lost it or the camera just stopped filming. But now I am just mopping my upstairs landing because it hasn't been mopped in a while. And I'm going to go ahead and mop Nyla's room. I did not mop my room or my other two kids' rooms because they were in and out of their rooms and doing other things in there. And then my room is going to be the next cleaning video. It's an absolute mess, hot mess. So I would just mop the landing and everything like that so that you guys can basically see how dirty it is.
Gotta do something. Let us go tonight. Got a restless mind, and now I won't let go. So let us be crazy before we're cold. You can take us out. Your doubts won't hold us down.
Yay, finally, we're all done with the cleaning. We're up to laundry now. So, oh my gosh, this was a catastrophe, you guys. Like, I had so much laundry to do. This is like at least 13 loads of laundry on my bed. I started folding some and put some away because it just was an overwhelming amount. And I just did not want to bore y'all with a long clip of laundry. So it's a whole lot of laundry, a whole lot. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. And let me know what you guys think about all my cleaning craziness that's going on in my house. Also, let me know, you guys, if you're liking this new upload schedule. I like that I don't have a time frame attached to it because it gives me more freedom to just do what I need to do. You know, so I'm no longer going to be uploading at 10. It's still going to be Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays, but I'm just going to upload whatever times on those days. So let me know if you like this schedule, and if you don't, I'm sorry. But thank you so much for joining me today and for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and leave your comment down below. Thank you, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.
Blow up your ego, your ego.